Hi everyone, this is Heather Loughtinen from the Flourish Academy. This is episode 379. And before I share my thoughts on this, do you have an opinion? Is there a right or wrong way to hold the camera? I get asked this fairly often in the DSLR classes that I teach. And while I really don't think that there's a right or wrong way, I will say that if you use live view to take still photos and you are holding the camera away from your person, then you would tend to get more camera shake for that. So if you use live view, you will get better photos. I'm not talking about video, I'm talking about photos. You will get better photos if you turn off live view and actually place the camera to your face because it will be more steady. So that's about the extent of my opinion in terms of how to hold a camera. But I was recently told that I was holding the camera wrong and I looked very awkward. The funny thing is, that's not the first time I've been told that. So what I think the person was saying was when I take a portrait shot, I tend to go up with my elbow in order to take the photo. And again, she was not the first person to tell me I looked awkward doing this. I wouldn't say that it's right or wrong. It just works for me. I fully recognize that if you are taking a portrait shot, it is more beneficial to turn your elbow down so that you can brace it against your body to take a photo and be more steady and eliminate more camera shake. That makes complete sense to me. Of course, this would be more steady than this. That makes total sense. For some reason, I cannot physically do that. I cannot turn my camera this way. It supports the weight better. It probably lessens the chance of the camera shake, but I don't know why I can't do it. So my elbow tends to go up. I tend to shoot this way. So I'm told that I look awkward and I'm just gonna have to live with that as part of my life. I'm an awkward shooter and I'm sorry, it's okay. I get decent photos and I make sure that I have a fast shutter speed. Oh, by the way, what's the slowest shutter speed I could handhold with the 70 to 200 with my elbow up like that? I've done it at 1/30th, 1/60th when balanced against something, so I can still get good shots, but I don't think that there is a right or wrong answer here. I think that it's what's most comfortable for you. Now, if you are just starting out and learning, yeah, I think it would probably be more beneficial if you go vertical to put your elbow down in order to stabilize yourself. But other than that, I don't know that there's a right or wrong way. Live view, I tend to stay away from live view unless I'm shooting video, in which case I use it, but I usually look through my viewfinder. I just wondered if you guys had an opinion on whether or not there's a right or wrong way to hold a camera. I will say that this combination, I've talked about this before, is very heavy. And because it's heavy, if you can find a better way to balance it, you probably should, because it might save your neck and your shoulders and your back. Marilyn says, I thought I was doing it wrong, but saw you and changed. No, there's no right or wrong answer here. I think it's just what works for you, your camera, your body. I don't know. I guess I'm just going to continue looking awkward and let me know what your thoughts are. I'll see you in the next video.